Hello, so I see more learners participate in the beginner course by entering the Google Classroom. So thank you for your support and your trust. We care about beginner learners, so work hard together. And this video is want to tell you what's light ahead, because we have a lot of materials, nice video for you. We are in a quiz, and we will have we will learn the use of time. Okay, so this is use of time, and what there is, teach you how to count the times, the day in a very interesting way. Pretty simple but very important. And actually, before that, we will learn question words. Yeah, we will learn the basic, how to say this and that, how to say what, where, etc. And you come with notes, very beautiful notes, very easy to review. And we also have some useful supplement on common verb. And we have another conversation learning, busy, not busy, mong, mong. And then we'll continue to learn how to talk about time, which is super important to express what you think. Hope. Then to ask for direction, month, week, date. So it's very useful, and they all come with some notes for you to follow. And we have a self-introduction, money, and we will go to the restaurant to order drink in a very interesting way, and with some exercise as well. Then we'll again have to learn proceed more on money, and then later on we will go through some basic adjective, and then the comparison grammar. So after this, we'll still continue to make more PowerPoint to make this beginner course more better and better. All right, so let's stay tuned for more.